One of the features of the Wise Mind Nutrition program that I'm most excited about is what I call gems. This is when you go through the program and select little one-liners that resonate with you. It's been my experience working with people for many years that sometimes little single sentences or catchphrases really stick and can be used as a tool for moving forward. There's about 100 gems throughout the program, and I'll give you a few examples of a few that I really like. We teach our brains to expect based on what we expose it to. Instead of focusing on what you should go low in, focus on what you should go high in. Say no to extremes and yes to sustainability. Invite change and evolution into your eating. Eating represents our most profound interaction with nature daily. Heal from the past so you can start to fully live in the present. We're inundated with tasks, and the doing leads to a loss of being. Since everyone's different, I can expect that different language is going to land on people differently, and gems are your opportunity to identify the language that resonates with you. You can build a toolkit in your workbook of different gems that you can put into practical application in your life.